Hey guys, everyone talks about getting into real estate to become a millionaire or to make $1 million. This is how you can actually do it. And it's not by flipping 20 houses, it's by building 4 homes. And you can get started today because I'm going to go through it step by step. Let's get started. Step number 1 is find 4 buildable lots. The area that you pick is critical. You need to find an area where homes are selling for between $800,000 and $1 million. And you want to find an area where active construction is already happening. You don't want to be the first to market with a new build in an area where the inventory is 200 years old, or even 20 years for that matter. Find a place where people are already doing new construction. You're going to want to make sure that utilities are easily accessible. You got to have roads, utilities. So subdivision is really your best bet. Find an established community in a subdivision where you can pick up the lots for between $90,000 and $100,000. Step number 2 is going to be design and budget your build. You are going to design a 2,500 square foot floor plan. You're going to budget roughly $170 per square foot for a total of $425,000 in build costs. You are going to allocate $25,000 towards permits and architecture. Should be $10,000 for your architecture, $15,000 on your permits. That's going to put you a total all in of $600,000 for each individual home that you're building. This isn't a wild harebrained idea. Right now, I'm in the process of putting together a deal about 20 minutes from where I live, where the homes are selling for around $1 million if they're lakefront, and the profit per square foot is around $650 to $800 per square foot. And I say that so that you understand that this is something that I'm doing. This is something that I have done. It's not me throwing ideas on YouTube to see what sticks. You can look in the comments of some of the other videos I've posted. There's guys doing this, making very good money. A builder posted on one of my videos yesterday. He said he's making 30% margins on almost everything that he builds. And if this is helpful, if you guys get value out of these videos, please subscribe, and I will continue to put out content like this that has tangible, real ways that you can make money in real estate, especially if you're already in some sector of real estate, but you have not gotten into new construction yet. Step number 3 is going to be sell the home for $875,000 minimum. And then that's going to put about $250,000 in your pocket. If you do this 4 times, you're at $1 million, and you didn't have to flip 20 houses to get there. It's simple. It's easy. There's fewer moving parts. Once you've built 1 home, you can build 4 homes just as easily. It's simple. Like it's not rocket science. You kind of put it on autopilot, and once you have your systems, your processes, your subcontractors, the guys, your team that you work with, this stuff self-manages to a degree. It's not as complicated as it seems. If you do 4 solid builds like that each year, even if you have partners, if you have an investor, if you have to, a couple of you have to join up to tackle something like this on the first one, in your first year, you're still going to make a total profit of $1 million. And then by your second year, you branch off on your own. You'll easily make the profit, and you're sticking it in your own pocket. If this sounds interesting to you and you think that you could use help with any of this, that's no problem. You can book a call in the link in the description of my channel. We can have a conversation. I will tell you if I can help you, and we can get to work on something and start building legacy projects. Get you out of low margin flips, chasing low margins. The deal we just ran through is a 30% margin. That's very attractive on an almost $1 million. Hope this was helpful. Hope you guys got value. See you on the next one.